Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. So we are doing level 2 problems from ratio. So let's start it. 2/5 of Hannah saving as much as 1/4 of Betty's savings. Find the ratio of Anna's savings to Betty's savings. Okay, so Anna's savings is 2/5. Let's draw the model. So here we have 5 units. So in the 2 units is her saving. So this is like same as 1/4 of Betty's saving. So as much as 1/4 of Betty's saving. These 2 units of Anna's is equal to 1 part of Betty's saving. Okay. So 2 units is equal to 1 part of Betty's saving. So total Betty's saving is like 4 units. In that 1 unit is Betty's saving. So we are drawing, yes, Betty's. So these 2 units is equal to 1 unit of Betty's. And similarly, like we have 4 units. Okay, yeah. So here when you want to compare the two objects, so we need to divide into both should be in same quantity, right? So equal partition should be there. Okay, so what I'm doing, so I will divide the same Betty's like Anna's size. Okay, so that means each part we will get 2 parts, right? Yeah, here it is 2 and this also 2 yeah, then 2 again. Okay, so now every quantity, both Anna's and Betty's are same. Okay, so that means we can compare, because the condition for the to write ratio is you need to have same quantity. Okay, so the quantity is, so total Anna you have like 5 units and Betty's is 8 units. So as we don't have any same common factors, so the values are in simplest form, 5:8. Okay, so we converted into both in same size, then we compared. The ratio is 5:8. So that's it. Next we will see next question. Let me set the board first, then we can solve. Yeah, here it is. Let's read it. 2/5 of Yana's beads is twice as many as Clary's beads. Find the ratio of Yana's beads to Clary's beads. If Yana's has 42 more beads than Clary, how many beads does Clary have? Let's draw the model. So what they are saying, so out of 3, it's not 2, okay, it's 3/5. Sorry, I couldn't able to see because of reflection. Let's start it. So 3/4 is the twice of Clary's beads, means this part is twice. So twice means in this half, whatever the half we have, that is like 1 unit. So we'll try to divide each these 3 units to like 6 units. Okay, so now 3 units will consider it as 1 unit. Okay, so let's draw. This total 6 units for the Clary's 2 units, right? Because it is saying double. Okay, that a single unit means the first 3 boxes will be in single unit. Okay, so now we need to divide both the subjects into same quantity, right? Okay, let's divide Clary's one also. Here you are getting 3 parts, right? So in Clary first unit also you will get the 3 parts. Sorry, you are not able to see solution, but it's very easy. Try to solve it. If you couldn't get this one, I'll try to explain in another video. Okay, yeah. So now we need to divide every part into equal parts, right? So yeah, I divided all Fiona's beads and as well as Clary beads. So it's like 10:3. total piano beats we have like 10 units, and Clarice is 3 units, okay, because we are considering only 1 unit. So 10 is to 3. We don't have any common factors. That's the simplest form of our ratios. 10 is to 3. Next we have one more question over here for the second question. Piano has 42 more beats. So actually Clary has still 3 units, both are same, but whatever the extra units the piano has, that value equal to the 42. So which is 7 unit is equal to 42. If 7 units is 42, then 1 unit is equal to how much? If we get 1 unit, we can find any value, right? So let's solve it. 7 units is equal to 42 beats, and then 1 unit is equal to how much? 42 over 7, which is 6, right? 6 beats. If 1 unit is 6 beats, then what he is asking, how many beats does Clary have? So how many beats Clary have? 3 units, right? So 3 times of 6 beats, which is 18 beats. So Clary had how many beats? 18 beats. Okay, that's the solution. So what we did, first whatever the values you have, you try to make it equal. Okay, quantity should be equal, then we can compare. If we compare, you will get 1 unit value. So once you got 1 unit value, so you can easily find whatever they are asking. Okay, that's how we need to solve the ratios problem. So first step you have to make it the quantities same, then compare. Okay, that's it. Let's see another problem, third problem. Let me set board first, then I'll try to explain. Here it is. A piece of ribbon was cut into 2 pieces in the ratio 3:5. If the length of the shorter piece was 18 centimeter, find the length of the original piece of ribbon. So what it is here, a piece of ribbon was cut into 2 pieces in the ratio 3:5. So they cut one ribbon into 2 pieces in the ratio 3:5, means one ribbon is like 3 units and the other ribbon is like 5 units. Okay, if the length of the shorter piece was 18 centimeters, so length of the shorter piece, which one is the shorter piece? So this one. So this one total value he has given like 18 centimeters. Yes, find the length of the original piece of ribbon. So I think it's so easy, we got the answer, right? So 3 units is 18 centimeters. When you compare values, the data we are getting like 3 units is equal to 18 centimeters, then 1 unit is equal to how much? 6 centimeters, right? So if we got 1 unit value, we can find any value. What is saying? Find the length of the original piece of the ribbon. So what's the length of the original piece of the ribbon? Which is 8 units. So 1 unit is 6 centimeters, then 8 units is equal to 48 centimeters. So that's it. It's very easy problem, we can easily solve. And next let's see another problem. So yes, Rita and Paul shared a packet of sweets in the ratio 2:7. If there were 45 sweets in the packet, how many sweets did Paul receive? So Rita and Paul shared a packet of sweets in the ratio 2:7. Okay, so here it is 2 units and Paul one is 7 units. Okay, yeah. So whenever we want to compare two ratio, it has to be like same quantity, 2 7. So together when you add 2 units, which is 2 plus 7, 9 units is equal to 45 sweets. Okay, so that's our data. So this one is I think very easy, just we got the 9 units value, so from that you can find out 1 unit value. So 9 units is equal to 45 sweets, then 1 unit is equal to how much, which is 5 units, 5 sweets. Okay, so now we got 1 unit value. Then what he's asking, how many sweets did Paul receive? So here the Paul one is 7 units, right? So 1 unit is equal to 5 sweets, then 7 units is equal to 7 5s are 35 sweets. So that's it. First of all, what you need to do, you need to make it equal quantity, then we need to compare, then we will get at least 1 unit value, then we can find whatever they are asking. That's it for today's session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.